Light, fast, and very agile, Velociraptor was a voracious hunter. However, this meat eater weighed only about 50 pounds and was just 3 feet or 1 meter tall and 6 feet or 2 meters long. Paleontologists now believe that Velociraptor was feathered and may have used those feathers as camouflage for surprise attacks. Named the king of the tyrant lizards, Tyrannosaurus rex was as long as a school bus and stood 20 feet or 6 meters in height. With jaws so powerful they could crush a car, this massive carnivore dominated North America during the late Cretaceous period, 68 million years ago. Triceratops was a large, four-legged plant-eating dinosaur that had a thick, protective frill of bone at the back of its skull and 3 large horns. Fossils of Triceratops, or three-horned face, date to the Cretaceous period about 145 million years ago. The largest adults are thought to have weighed 8 tons. Brachiosaurus was a massive sauropod that had long front legs and an even longer, flexible neck. It weighed as much as 10 elephants, around 55 tons, and was as tall as 49 feet, or 15 meters. These dinosaurs had large, powerful hearts and a very high blood pressure to pump blood up their long neck to their head and brain. Stegosaurus is known for the rows of big, diamond-shaped bony plates that ran along its back. Stegosaurus grew to a length of about 30 feet or 9 meters and weighed about 6 tons. Like many plant-eating dinosaurs, Stegosaurus intentionally swallowed small rocks or gastroliths that helped mash up the vegetable matter in its chambered stomach. Step 1. Use your tool and chisel to carefully remove pieces of rock to slowly uncover the dinosaur. Step 2. Once the dinosaur is uncovered, use the brush to gently brush away debris. Step 3. Once you have found all the pieces of your dinosaur, snap them together to make your very own Tyrannosaurus rex skeleton. "66 million years ago, our Earth is covered in life, plants and animals, mammals and reptiles. All of them are completely unaware of what is hurtling towards them from a million miles away. Only a bright spot in the night sky gives any indication of what is to come. As it enters the atmosphere, it begins to burn so hot that the air around it turns into a superheated plasma that burns away the oceans beneath it. Nothing living on the surface of the earth is safe from the heat or the boiling oceans. A cloud of ejected molten rock moves over the face of the earth, flattening trees and blocking out the sun. Most large animals are dead. Only the small and the meek, scavengers of every shape, are left to take advantage of the changes wrought by the asteroid. Take a step in Jurassic time to the Badlands of Alberta, where the province 100 million years ago was home to thousands of dinosaurs and no more than an ocean surrounded by tropical forests. As we venture through the hoodoos, these strange rock formations would soon become known as a place that preserved prehistoric remains like nowhere else on Earth. Flash forward a couple of million years to 1884. Geologist Joseph Tyrrell discovered the first dinosaur fossil within these badlands. The name? The Albertosaurus. Shortly after the discovery, the land became the hub of the Great Canadian Dinosaur Rush, where scientists from around the world flocked to this desert-like land to excavate fossils to be showcased in museums around the globe. What makes this part of the world so unique? Sedimentary rocks such as limestone, shale, and sandstone are the only rocks that fossils can survive in because their mineral-rich properties are able to preserve dinosaur characteristics. During the process of fossilization, minerals in the soil slowly replace the dinosaurs' bones over millions of years. When a paleontologist finds these mineralized remains, they carefully dig them free of the surrounding soil, clean them, then mount them. These finished and mounted dinosaur specimens are what we see when we visit museums.
Mm.